is Angie Marquez. We are here in Surquillo, inside Lima, Peru, and this is the restaurant called La Capitana, specializing in seafood. Our most important dish in the menu could be the ceviche. If you guys want to know what will be a secret for our perfect production in our menu, it will be the fresh products. One of them, for example, it will be the lemon that has to be from the north of Peru. We put it inside our tiger milk. Tiger milk is the juice that we use to cook the fish, and we blend it all with the garlic, the cilantro, the chili, and we all put it in a very smooth way, mix it with a very fresh fish. My favorite Peruvian destination, it will be the local markets. We have very close from here, from the Capitana, the Surquillo market #1. You should go there and try some juices, some fresh fruit, some food of the day. We have pork belly, we have also some ceviche, some Peruvian cuisine. If you go there, you can try some local food that Surquillo neighbors eat in their dailies. Everyone must come to Peru, everyone if they like to eat, because Peru is a very gastronomic and culinary destination. You have fresh products from the sea, you have fresh fruit from the jungles, from the mountains, you have potatoes, you have rice, and you have great people also that will always welcome you. I will say that if you want to have a 10-day trip, you can go and do surfing in the Pacific Ocean, you can go hiking in a mountain in Cusco, Machu Picchu, and also you can go to one of the most large river in the Amazonics. So Peru, why not to come? Thank you everyone for listening. My name is Angie Marquez. We are here at La Capitana, and I can't wait to see you guys here so you can have one of the greatest ceviches that will change your life. Bye!